Hey, what's going on, Androids? This is Linux Android with another video, and today I have the unboxing video of the Motorola Z4. As many as you know, and if you don't know, this is the last generation of Motorola Z phones. The first generation came out in summer 2016, and the last year 2019, and summer the Moto Z4 was the last generation. You got here some Moto Mods that I have. So let's go to the specs really quick about this Motorola Z4. It's a 6.4-inch screen, OLED screen, 1080 resolution, 48 megapixel camera, 4 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 675, and this is the biggest battery on a Moto Z4, 3600 milliamp hour battery. So let's talk about some other specs right here. Comes with Android 9, but already comes with, it's going to be upgraded to Android 10, and this one's going to get Android 11, Adreno 612. Like I said, 120 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM, UFS 2.1, and single camera. The selfie camera 21 megapixels, 1080 at 30 frames, main camera 48 megapixel camera, and 4K 30 frames per second, and 1080 video at 30 and 60 frames per second. So this is about it. So brand new right now. This one, even though it's already 1 year old, brand new, Verizon selling it for $500. You could get it on a special discount. Like you could get some discount from Verizon and pay monthly, and for 24 months, and you could get it for like $300 totally. You're gonna pay in 2 years. So that's a better deal. I seen it online in third-party websites for about $250, $200. But you gotta be careful always with used ones. There's always problems with those phones. Check the IMEI. Be careful. Don't get scammed. So let's open this Moto Z4. So I had the 2016. I bought the original Moto Z Play. That was one of my favorite phones. And then I got the Moto Z3, which I still have. It's actually my girlfriend's phone now. So we got Motorola Z4. There we go, finally. Okay. You got your book and stuff. Alright, so this one right here, this is the first Moto Z phone with a fingerprint sensor on the screen. The Moto Z3 came with a fingerprint sensor on the side of the phone. So this is the first fingerprint sensor on the screen. So let's see what it is. I ordered the white one. Look at this. Looks good. The magnets, Verizon model. Nice. And also another huge thing, it has obviously USB Type C, and also the headphone jack is back. As you can take a look right here. Finally, it's good to see the Motorola brought it back. Fortunately, some companies took it off. Apple was the first one to start doing that. Samsung, Sony, Google. So it's nice to see Motorola listen to its customers and bring it back. The Moto Z3 didn't have a headphone jack, so that's really unfortunate. And the difference between Moto Z3 and Moto Z4, the Moto Z3 is 6.inch screen, and this is 6.4. And the difference is, like, the Moto Z4 is a little bit taller, but more narrow. And the Moto Z3 is shorter, but it's more, it's wider. So that's the difference. So right here you got your volume rocker up and down, and you got your power button right here. Headphone jack, USB Type C, microphone. You got there's only one speaker grill right here. The speaker. You got right here another microphone, and you got right here your SIM tray. And right here you got your speaker grill, and you got an eye drop, little notch right there. That's fine. It's not ugly like the Pixel 3 XL, the iPhone 11. But it's better than that. I like it. It's white color. Nice. Yeah, the camera right here. Let's turn out this bad boy to see if there's any juice on this phone. So Motorola Z4. So in my opinion, this phone is great as a backup phone if you have an expensive phone like a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, iPhone 11 Pro Max, Pixel 4 XL. This is a great phone for $500, $300 on Verizon. Like I said, this is a great backup phone, and you can use the Moto Mods, the JBL speaker, Polaroid mod, the 5G mod, the gamepad, the Hasselblad. A lot of mods, and it's game over. There's no other phone that can do that. Not even expensive phones can do that. And so, and like I said, it's great as a backup phone for people who are on a budget. They don't want to spend too much money. This is a great choice. And like I said, I'm gonna make more videos to compare it against the Moto Z3. What's the difference? And so, in my personal opinion, I recommend that people get this phone. You're gonna have a lot of fun with it. The mods, the camera is good. The Moto Mods, it has a clean stock Android experience. Motorola, the phone's pretty good. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, ask any questions, and as always, choose Android.